Hello, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். First of all, I feel so good seeing you all after so many years. Same venue, same people, same smiles. I remember 2002 when I came into Chennai for the first time for Kadal Adivadilai. Those days, I met media friends, and since then, I did so many movies. I got so much love from you all. Until today, I feel like when I'm meeting you all and talking to you, I feel that we did not lose any connect. I felt that bond and warmth with you all, talking to you and spending time with you today. Tamil, little bit okay. I don't want to mess up unnecessarily. So I lost track. Setu sir also will not speak in Tamil. He wants to learn Telugu, so he will ask me to speak in Telugu. So I completely lost track. So coming back to this movie, Slumdog, I'm here again, but this time as a producer, and by God's grace, we have produced a lot of successful films in our banner Puri Connects. And this is our first straight Tamil film coming from Puri Connects. And it feels amazing to be here as a producer. We have got so much love already. And Slumdog is a blend of action and emotion. Coming to action, it is very original and real kind of action you will see. You will see a lot of human to human connect, very grounded, original emotions you can expect from Slumdog. And beautifully storytelling, beautifully expressed the screenplay, and a blend of Setu sir and Puri Jagannath. It's going to be beautiful. Commercial meets the best talent. It's going to be beautiful. And I promise you, we are going to make you proud with Slumdog, 33 Temple Road. It's going to be releasing in theaters very soon. And I'm very proud of myself that I got the opportunity of producing this film, working with amazing actors. We have one of the best casting here. Starting from Setu sir. He is first an actor, and an actor who is a big star. This combination makes a lot of difference for movies where you need performance, plus you need to be full of commercial weight, where in trade and business, people will believe that yes, he can hold a film like this on his shoulders by himself. That is Vijay Sethupathi for us. Thank you, sir. I'm so proud that you gave us this opportunity. And sir, I'm going to make you very proud. And I promise you, we are going to have one of the best theatrical release worldwide in all languages: Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam and Kannada. Then coming to one of my most favorite, my very dear friend since so many years, Tabu ma'am. When Puri sir wrote this script, it was Tabu ma'am and Tabu ma'am and Tabu ma'am. We could not see anyone else doing this role. And I personally know her as friend, and I am a big fan of Tabu ma'am since so many years. So I just picked up the phone and I said, I need to meet you. She gave me the appointment. We met her, and immediately she said, yes, I'm doing this. Not only my role, but the whole film, the whole script is worth working for. And she immediately gave us the confidence also that yes, you guys have written a great script. So thank you, Tabu ma'am. Till today, she has been so supportive to us and always giving us good advice and everything. Thank you, Tabu ma'am. Then Dunya Vijay sir. Again, a gem of a person, pure gold at heart. We called him and he said, please come. And we went to Bangalore, gave him the narration. He didn't ask me anything. He just stood, gave hug to Puri sir and he said, "Sir, I am doing this film. I love the script and I want to work with you. No matter what, I am doing this film." He adjusted his dates for us. And because we had a huge slum setup and other combination dates, he said, "I'm doing this." He adjusted his dates for us and he was there for us. So, Dunia Vijay Kumar sir, forever, forever thankful for accepting this film for us. You are a very big star in Kannada and, of course, everywhere. And you play the main villain in this film. Thank you so much for that. And coming to my beauty, Samyukta. Again with Samyukta, I called Karthik. Karthik has worked with us earlier. I said, "Karthik, I want to meet Samyukta. This is a girl who comes from village. So I need to see her, how she looks right now." Because I've seen some of her interviews and I think she looks much prettier in person than in the movies that I have seen. So can I please meet her? And there Samyukta came and it was like love at first sight. We hit it immediately and the narration session continued towards dinner and then dancing and then we were like, we just had a blast. And then she came over on sets. She fit into the role so beautifully. We wanted someone very naturally pretty and she pulled it off so nice. Her costume and her almost fresh, no makeup look and very casual dialogues where she has to believe in that role. You know how sometimes women can get cranky and stubborn and so she played that also very beautifully. And thank you, Samyukta. And you are looking all the more beautiful now. Thank you. And VT Ganesh sir, what to tell? I have been wanting to work with him since so many years. Like you open social media and it is his memes coming up and you just keep laughing. So when we wanted to cast for this character, I just opened his video and I showed it to Puri sir. I said, "This man." He's like, "Yes, even I like him. Call him." And there it was. We have him on board. And in the movie, when we are watching the whole film, every time he comes, I laugh. He is not saying any dialogue. He just comes and he gives some reaction and we laugh. He is the fresh element in the film and his Telugu is so cute. His Hindi is so cute. Overall, he's very cute. Thank you. And we have Brahmaji in the film who's played a very, very nice role. If I have forgotten someone, please forgive me. And coming to my main man, Vishu Reddy. He is the CEO of our company, but he is one-man army. This man has made sure that this film, Puri sir, shoots without any stress. Whatever Puri sir wants will be there on time, perfectly ready. No questions asked. Whether it's fitting the budget, not fitting the budget, financial crisis, challenges, anything. Actors not coming on time, not actors, I mean junior actors or whatever. Don't take me wrong. So we shot with so many juniors and so many dancers and because we had a huge slum setup and all that. So the whole set in the morning has to be on time and he was there on his toes 24/7 on location without giving any stress to our director because he understands how a director needs to just focus on his creative business. And complete marketing, publicity, business, sales, you name it. He is one-man army. I can never, I don't know how to thank you, Vishu. You are there, rock solid, no matter what. You are just amazing. Thank you so much. And JB Motion Pictures, JB Garu, real estate lo chala successful. He is very successful with his partners, Mahinder Garu, Krishna Rao Garu and everyone. And I hope you get a lot of success in cinema and make a lot of movies and film industry needs more and more people believing in cinema. Thank you. And one of my most favorite technicians, musicians, Harshvardhan. Since the time he stepped in the movie, the color of the movie has changed. The life that he got in before edit and after edit, it was different, but in the same edit when we added his music, it just changed the whole element, the whole structure, the whole feeling of the film. Harshvardhan, I am so thankful to you, and such a disciplined guy. Morning he will be there ready with Puri sir, till evening he will work. Puri sir likes one tune, superb. Does not like, immediately next tune he'll start working. No complaints, nothing, no nonsense. You know, he is one of those rare music directors that me as a producer, I don't have to follow up. Tune vachinda, or did the singer finish singing? Did we receive the tune? The track is on time. We have to shoot. All this mess that producers go through. This man, he will follow up with us. Sir, when is the shooting, sir? When do you want the song, sir? That is Harshvardhan for us. And we need such disciplined music directors, musicians in this industry. Finally, all our PROs, our whole team, production team, direction team, and our DOP, Shamki Naidu Garu, our editor, Santosh, each and every one. Thank you so much. Finally, to Chennai. This is our first event from Slumdog in Chennai, and you guys have given a lot of love, lot of warmth. You made us feel at home today. I spent 1 hour with you people today, and you people are amazing. Thank you so much. I felt home after so many years. After almost 23 years, I feel I am back home. Thank you so much. And yes, we have made a good film, and I promise you, you all will love it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Charmi ma'am. வந்தோடனே நாங்கள் எல்லாரும் உட்காந்து அங்கே டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி